In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the Minecraft timed out error. So let's get right to it. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type in netsh winsick reset and hit Enter. After that, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter again. Now, close the command prompt window. Next, head back to the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the Settings window and go to the Network and Internet section. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings, then go to Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button and confirm the action by clicking Yes. If that doesn't work, you might want to check the status of Minecraft servers. Sometimes the servers go down for maintenance, which could be why you're getting the timed out error. To check the server status, open your browser and go to the website mcsrv.stat.us. Type in your server's name and click Get Server Status. This will let you know if the server is up and running or if it's currently down for maintenance. If the server is down, you'll just need to wait until it's back online before you can reconnect. Following these steps should help you resolve the timed out issue in Minecraft. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time.